Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this quick mill Vetrano 2B Evo here. And so basically the issue is that the pump kept running, but it wasn't filling one of the boilers. And so what I found is that the solenoid just wasn't functioning properly. So I replaced that. Here's the old one, and a brand new one in there. So I'm just going to pull a shot just to show you that the machine is working now. So we're still able to get a pretty good shot here. We're at about 9 bars. I will say I did not do a tune-up on this machine, just at the customer's request, so there might be still some mineral buildup and old gaskets that need to be replaced in the machine. So if there are any further issues, it's likely due to that, but the main problem was solved today. So here's that nice shot with thick crema. You can see that steam, hot water. And you can see again water coming through there. Alright, that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.